Hey guys, this is Abhishek from Technics Media, and today we are going to give you an hands-on overview of an all-in-one desktop machine from Lenovo. This one is called C240 and this one is available in black color as you can see over here, and this is also available in white color as well. If we talk about the specifications of this machine, this one has got a Celeron dual core processor which is 1.1 GHz. You have a 2 GB DDR3 RAM. You have 500 GB of hard disk. You have a normal hard disk, a magnetic hard disk basically, and you have my wired keyboard and mouse which comes with the machine within the package as you can see. And if we talk about the USB port, it does have 4 USB ports on the machine, and you have a micro SD as well as SD card reader basically. You have a DVD write drive. You have integrated graphics, so there is no graphic card in this machine. If we talk about the connectivity, it does have an HDMI out as well, and it is a 18.5 LED screen as you can see. The viewing angles of this screen are pretty wide, and I do not see any kind of fading of colors basically if I see the screen from different angles. And if I talk about other specification, it comes with Windows 8 64-bit. This machine basically comes in 3 variants. You have 2 white variants and 1 black variant, and one of them is actually 21,990, and it comes with the DOS operating system, so this can be the one. And the other variants in this particular model comes at 24990, and both of them have the same specification, they just differ in the colors. If we talk about the webcam on the device, you have a high definition webcam which is capable of doing high definition video chat. You have 2 holes for the mic for noise cancellation. Here you have some LED indicators basically for the power, for the wireless. So everything is there inside within this particular monitor. You don't have a CPU extra apart from this one. If we talk about the connectivity, you have a micro SD card connectivity over here, the SD card connectivity over here, and you have 2 USB ports for connecting the keyboard and mouse. You have the audio in the headphone jack and the mic jack. And here if we take a look over here, you have an HDMI out, you have the LAN port connectivity as well, and you have 2 USB ports which are very close to each other. Now if we take a look over this side, you have a power button over here with which you will be able to turn on the machine, and you have some buttons over here to control the volume, to control the brightness of this particular display. So this is how the machine looks like. You have a very nice keyboard which is kind of a chiclet keyboard as you can see, and you have Windows 8 installed on it, which is 64-bit, and it is not touch sensitive on this device. So the C240 is the model where you don't get Windows 8 with touch screen. Otherwise you have all the Windows 8 features and everything that will work on this particular machine. You have this kind of mouse which comes with the machine, and you have this kind of keyboard which is kind of a good keyboard with good keys which have sufficient amount of travel, especially when it comes to typing, which comes with this particular machine. So that's all from us. We will come up with a detailed review very soon about this machine. Do let us know if you have any questions related to this machine. Thanks for watching this video. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.